Hello guys, I sell auto parts on my Shopify store for like 10 years. So currently I have 15 team members. So starting 3 months ago, I started using Claude Code and Codex. So today I want to share one apps that I found is the most useful ones that I created for my team. So basically 15 team members use it every day. So we replace Asana and currently using this app that way for projects management. So as you can see, so this is a login page. So basically we have um, different team members, so they can choose the username and log in. Okay. So yeah, I using Claude Code and the Codex do not have done a lot of automations and also tools, but for this app, I find this is the one that we use the most. So I really want to share how it works. So basically, why we want to creating this app. So the biggest reason is we want to have an app that we have capabilities to customize whatever features that we want. So if you're using Asana or if you're using Monday or other tools, you don't have the abilities to customize or add in the features that you want. And also for this app, we can very easy to integrate with Shopify or like other CRM that we use. So also we can integrate to Google Ads or other tools as long as you have already give your API code keys to Claude Code or Codex. And yeah, so this is how the app works. So it has login phase and also we tracking time. The people clock in, they tracking time. So it's really simple features. And then what I use, I read inbox. So that's what I currently communicate with them. And for managing projects, we're using growth rocks. And so basically that's the important projects. And so this is the place that our team members to submit the weekly report. So I give feedback. So it's really simple stuff. And Watchdog is different. It's kind of automation for our backend team. And so basically this is a tool automation that monitoring Shopify websites. So if there's anything is wrong or grammar issues or other 404 page, so it will send it will flag those pages and send your backend team to review. So it's consistently monitoring on our websites based on the criteria that we set on backends. So that's pretty useful, I would say. And so this is a new feature as well. So in the past, we're using a lot of Google Sheets, as you see. However, we want to integrate everything into one place. So this is the tool that we start with. And fulfillments, so we can just pass the Google Sheets, let go of the Google Sheets and start using this feature as well. For boarding, so that's the place to managing all the process. I think it's also very helpful. Yeah, calendar is very similar to other other management tools like Asana or Mondays. And then you have performance. So yeah, this is kind of AI features to help me pick up the best team members every month. So we give bonuses to the best team members based on this. So it helped me analyze, but I still make the decision myself. Yep. So yeah, so I would say this is still the a very beginning phase. So we can still add in more features as we want. It's currently using Superbase as a database. I find it's pretty it's pretty fast to use, I would say. and also it's cheap. Right now it's free. As time goes, as we adding more features, we're probably going to upgrade the plan. And you can, yeah, so this is the feature that actually my team members ask. So whenever, so right now let's talk about the flow. So this is the flow that workflow that I use to build this team hub. So if you're using Claude Code or Codex, it's really simple to do it, and you just make it things automate. For example, like I plan this with Claude Code, and actually Codex to build it. So the reason why I mentioned in the previous videos, the reason why I want to separate, because I want each model to focus on one thing. So then Codex don't, because if they both planning or do the thinking, it probably has a conflict. Like human beings, we probably fight with each other. If one model focus on evaluate and planning, you will be good at it, because sometimes they will just missing the important details if they focus on too many things. And then yeah, we have Codex to yeah, this is actually for Claude Code, skills for Claude Code. So we run build Codex, so Claude Code can check Codex work. And then yeah, deploy I using model. Just this is kind of like cloud. So put this Python or whatever scripts on the cloud, so you can run. And then for backend, it's using Superbase. For database, we're using Superbase. It's simple stuff. And then yeah, 15 virtual team members they're using on daily basis. And then I put a Google Sheets, which I already give access to the Claude Code. So I told my team members, so if you have anything that you want to improve in this team hub, the things that you are using, please leave the feedbacks to the Google Sheets. And every week I just run one prompt, so Claude Code will check the feedbacks and just fix it. So we'll basically do this every week. And after a couple of months, right now this is the app that is very helpful. So we're using it on a daily basis, and we solve a lot of issues or errors. So it's not easy, but at the end, so once it's set up, it's going to be very convenient as soon as we want to add in more features. So yeah, there's something that we solve, like bugs. We're moving from Google Sheets to the Superbase database, because if we do things on the Google Sheets, it will be very slow. And then yeah, we fix drag and drop, so we want to make it more fast. And the comments, this is mentioned, it's just simple stuff, but it still takes time for the AI to figure them out. Yeah, so this is for especially I don't check every the code at all. So basically it takes, so AI fix them, just get everything by themselves. So I don't know how it works, but at the end of the day, it's working the way that we prefer. Maybe it takes more tokens, but this is still very cheap for non-technical guys like us. And yeah, we don't using developers at all for these projects. And then we fix issues like time zones and inbox routing. So this is like simple stuff, but still take AI to fix it back and forth. And there's some data loss issues, also we fix it. Yeah, so right now it's just the system, the workflow is I think it'll be really good for now, because we can consistently adding the things that we want, and this is 100% customizable. So if you want to, in the past, if you want to have a customized app or for your team using, is really hard, and it pays a lot of money every month. But for right now, it's just all you have to do is just have in Claude Code and Codex, and then this is probably like spend $300 per month per max plan for Claude Code or Codex, and then you have like 40 full-time web developers and do whatever features that you want to, and it's just do everything that your team wants. So I think it's pretty helpful as well. So yeah, you can copy this workflows and yeah, creating one that suits your company the best. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.